Today, I will record a video for you to introduce the platform I work on, which can provide more help to new friends. Because it's a shared job, as long as you share it with friends who need help, you can get what you want. Our platform is mainly to help stores on the internet quickly increase their ratings and exposure. When a store gains higher ratings, exposure, and popularity, it can get more sales. This is another advertising model for products. For example, for beauty products, they spend a lot of money to advertise on TV and ask for celebrity endorsement. The purpose is to increase the sales of this brand's beauty product. The online store can also send the money from celebrity endorsements and TV advertisement to the platform Inery. And us, who work on the platform, we help them process orders and the online store's product sales are directly improved. Number 1. How to register an account. First of all, I will introduce you how to register. Click here for the registration page. Fill in your username here. The username can be a combination of letters and numbers. There can be no space between each text. For example, if there is a space in the middle, it cannot be used as a username. Select the login password here. Remember your own login password. Next is to fill in your friend's invitation code and your phone number. Here you can select your country and enter your phone number. Finally, enter the verification code. Click register. Registration is complete. Number 2. Introduction of the page. After logging in, here are all the pages. The home page, here is deposit, here is withdraw. Here you can view introductions, promotion, rewards, and beginner tutorials. Here is the order page. You can view your completed orders and unfulfilled orders. If the order is like this, it means it has been completed. If the order is like this, it means that your order has not been completed. Click here to complete it. Here is the grab order page. Click automatic grab and wait for the platform to match the order for us. When the order is matched, we click here and here to complete an order test. Here you can see the commission you get for the order you just completed. Level 1. Accounts can complete 50 orders per day. The commission is 0.26 of the order's amount. Level 2. Accounts can do it 55 times. The commission is 0.28% of the order amount. You can check how to increase the level and how much commission you can get each level in the beginner's tutorial on the homepage. This page is online customer service. Online customer service is online 24 hours a day. If there is any question that I don't understand, I always contact customer service directly. Number 3. How to deposit. Inery platforms are all traded through cryptocurrency platforms. For example, Binance app and OKX app. Then conduct transaction by sending USDT. This is my web wallet. I can put it in any country's currency and withdraw in any country's currency. Convenient and simple. It is recommended that you use the Binance app. Below the video, I have included a tutorial Binance registration and authentication. If you don't understand, you can click to watch or contact the platform online customer service. After you have purchased enough USDT, click on the deposit interface of the platform, select TRC20, and then copy the TRC20 address of the platform. Switch back to the Binance app. Click Withdraw. Search for USDT. Paste the address of the Inori platform and fill in the amount here, then select TRC20 and then click Send. When the sending is successful, we find the transaction history here. This is the transaction history. After copying the TX ID, save the screenshot of this page. Then open the Inori platform. Log into the account. Click Deposit, then TRC20. Select the amount here, paste the TX ID here, and upload the screenshot. Remember to check it before clicking Confirm. Refresh, then click here to check your balance. We start fetching in the orders. Number 4. How to put money into financial management. The income of financial management. Level 1 can only complete 50 orders a day. So how can you make more money? This is how I do it. After the orders I completed every day, I deposit the money in balance appreciation. I choose one day. Then the next day, I can use the money to continue scrapping tasks. Let me show you if I use 1,000 USDT to operate my account. How much can I get after 1 month? Is it considerable income? I believe that many people have many ways to make money. But there are still people who do not make money. Why is that? I think it's because of lack of persistence. Try my method for a month and you will definitely get the apples you want. Number 5. How to invite friends. Many friends do not know how to invite friends to join their team. Then click here. You can see your invitation code, or here you can get the invitation link. Ask your friends to sign up with an invitation code. It's a shared mutual beneficiary job. When you share this job with your friend A, you can get 16% of the commission that friend A gets every day. When friend A invites friend B, you can get 8% of friend B. And friend B invites friend C, you can get 4% of friend C. This job is fair and there are no requirements for nationality, age, or gender. The job is fun and doesn't require you to be outside in the sun. This job is wonderful because you share a career.